Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will experiment a little bit with my transparent base slash my pouring medium. This is just my pouring medium that it's white now, but it dries clear. And I will use this funnel and 3 primary colors and white. And this will be all. And I want to see what will happen. And maybe then when I will do this one, I will add a drop or two of silicone oil into the colors and see what will happen. So I will basically layer, this time I will layer yellow and magenta, and then transparent base again to separate that. I just hope that I don't, because this is a silicone one, it's not quite something I would rather have, just plastic one. Here I will add blue and magenta. Oop. Oh my god, this is just not, I will use another funnel next time. Some white and some yellow and some blue and cover it up with transparent base. Okie doke. Let's go back in the middle and it looks really nice right now, but this white, it's not all white. I'm really curious how this will turn out. I will add some transparent base around on the corners, especially because these parts paint flows longer, you know. Don't forget, this is just transparent base. It's not white, it's just pouring medium. I use my own pouring medium, but you can definitely use Floetrol. There are some really cute cells on the sides and I don't want to lose them all. Oof, I have something in there. There is a blob of something that flows around. Get it out. Such a shame. Here you are. I will grab. I really don't want to lose those cells on the side. Oh, this is a really weird corner catcher, but it will do the trick. Catch those beautiful lacing and cells. Just so cool. I'm really curious how this will dry, because I really don't know where the transparent base is now, but I'm excited how this will dry. Really want to see. Really like that. So here is the wet result. I really like it already. I hope that I will like it when it will be dry too, because I want to keep those crazy cells here. And this blending, I just hope, because I did add white in the layers too, so some of the white is definitely white. You see a butterfly here. Just gorgeous, this middle, isn't it? I'm really hoping that this will dry as nice as it looks wet. So let's see. So here she is dry. She dried beautiful. I really like it. Love those cells and those layers. And mixing of colors gives this really cool effect. What I see with adding transparent base is adding more depth to the painting, because it's kind of layered a little differently, and it kind of come out a little more 3D looking, and I really like that, so I'm happy with this one. So this was it for today. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!